Yep. So one more question I'd like to put in. You did say Ayurveda mein, and this is a thing ki, is non-vegetarian food okay? Yeah,
Absolutely okay.
yeah. Ayurveda mein does Ayurveda say ki you should be vegetarian,
No.
stick to fruits and
I'm
vegetables?
vegetarian, but Ayurveda never.
And is meat, fish, and is that okay?
Okay.
मतलब उसका क्या
So,
मानना है?
आयुर्वेद का बस चले तो वो आपको it will give you everything that is available under the sky. It does not has a bias
Okay.
when it comes to recognizing energy or potency. वो खटमल के खून से लेकर के डायमंड तक आपको इंजेस्ट कराएगा. Yeah.
Really?
Yes, जी. It is
No
like one
way.
of the medicine, the yuckiest medicine that I've heard of. It was, I don't think that we practice it, was something which dissolves clots, is made from droppings of a bird because it contains a certain acidic property. So that way Ayurveda
So it will take the droppings of a bird,
Yeah, to
and the
give you-
properties of that to clot your
to
blood.
dissolve the clot.
Wow.
Like, okay, the most aphrodisiac food in Ayurveda is nakra, eggs of nakra. Nakra, you know what animal creature that is? अगर men को अपने sperm बढ़ाने हैं या क्वांटिटी या स्पर्मेटोजेनिक क्या वो बढ़ाना है, so the most aphrodisiac food are the eggs of crocodile. Like, now where on earth will you go and get I don't want to be claiming that you should start to eat that. I don't think that is in practice, at least in India or in
but
our.
that is what Ayurveda
But that they have
says.
said now it does not has a bias. It recognizes what has what property and it will suggest. So उस तरह से it has never got. That's what I'm telling you, जी. It comes from a space of what is unhealthy, healthy, and healing in a given condition.
Beautiful.
That's all. So it's bias. It doesn't hold biases. Hence, Ayurveda could go very deep into looking at वो आपको एक मिट्टी है कितने 8 तरह के salts हैं. Salt which are available in the mountain, salts which are available through ashes of the trees, salts which are available in certain roots, salts which are available then through the sea. ओके इतने ढेर सारे तरह के मिल्क हैं, कैमल मिल्क से लेकर के गोट मिल्क, पिग मिल्क, लाइक वी आई एम नॉट इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट काउ एंड बफेलो मिल्क.
Pig milk.
Oh yes, जी. They've mentioned all of that and properties of what these are going to do. There are medicines which should be treated and to enhance the potency. You have to. I'm forgetting. हम खटमल को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? A certain bug. उसके खून से उस मेडिसिन को आई डोंट थिंक वो मेडिसिन बनाते भी हैं हम, बट ऑल दैट आई एम सेइंग दैट आयुर्वेद में कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. इसीलिए आयुर्वेद पॉइजन को भी यूज करता है. कैनबिस या जिसे कई कंट्रीज में लीगलाइज अब कर रहे हैं, हम तो तब से आयुर्वेद को यूज करते थे, धतूर से लेके आर्सेनिक. हाउएवर दे हैव यूज्ड एवरीथिंग because they know the potency. But they also know how to separate its toxicity.
Absolutely.
And retain the healing property in it.
जी. Very very interesting, right?
Now-
क्योंकि एक ही चीज़ आप अगर सही क्वांटिटी में लें तो वो आपको हील कर सकता है. रिमेंबर एज ए चाइल्ड जब कोल्ड होता था या कॉफ होता था तो मम्मी थोड़ी सी ब्रांडी दे देती थी तो उससे आप ठीक हो जाते थे.
Exactly.
अब उसी को आप इंक्रीज कर देंगे, उससे वो आप टॉक्सिक हो जाएंगे, अल्कोहलिक हो जाएगा. बट इट्स द क्वांटिटीज इन व्हाट जो आप कर रहे हैं,
or
आप ये कर रहे
the
हो.
treatment that certain thing has gone through
जी.
decides its potency.
राइट.
So Ayurveda is an amazing science. It requires deeper attention, study and respect.